YouTube, what's up, man? It's your boy T Double O, that man Michi. Come back with y'all in another video. Hey yo, check this out. So today is the day. Yes, today is the day that I put these bad boys on. Well, finna go drop the car off to them, and they're gonna put it on. But y'all know what I mean. But once this get done, get the clutch put in, and we gonna be running for real. We're gonna be running for real. Another thing, you know what the best thing about this shit though? About getting the headers and all that stuff installed, like buddy that I'm taking it to, my boy Sean, he's literally like 10 minutes away from me. So like, when he get done with it, I ain't gotta go in there far. Like he's right there, so that shit was all in my face. But man, I cannot wait to put these bitches on, bro. Like these bitches is gonna fucking give me more power once I put the tune on. You know what I'm saying? Get a tune. Give me a little bit more power, you feel me? Oh shit. Yo, I gotta run back to the house. I forgot something. So I had to run back home. I forgot to tell y'all too, I'm also getting my injectors put on. So we're gonna be on E85 too as well. What is it? 52 pounds. Hey yo, what are you doing? Get up. Get your ass up, my boy. Get your ass up, my boy. Get your ass up. Sheesh. Sheesh. Everything that you gave me, bro, I'll give you that shit right back to you. Now put the shit on type shit. Yeah, I know. John gave me them shits. But you know, John got a route, so he need ID 100s, ID 1000s, I mean.
This shit is 52 or 47.
Well, I gotta get the revision anyway. So when I do that, I just put 52. I do that shit
do
tomorrow.
47 first.
What, do 47? Ah shit. 47 then, fuck it.
You on E right now or?
No, well I'm still on stock injectors. But yeah, I do want E though.
This car ain't ever been on E?
No, it's never been on E. I've been on stock injectors for a while, bro.
Hey, you about to pick up a good little bit.
Yeah. I need something, man. Shit. As soon I get that done, then I gotta go run, put my new clutch in. Once the new clutch get in, then I'm gonna start running with y'all.
Shit, me and you ran when I was on.
Yeah, you was motor and shit, and you dug the shit out my ass.
Shit, barely. You should have outran me.
I can't shift at 7, huh? Oh, around my damn neck. Hold on. YouTube, what's going on? T Double O. Y'all boys already know what it is. Y'all know who it is, man. But today is Thursday. Remember now, on Monday we dropped the car off to get the headers put on, S pipe, injectors, all the other good stuff put on, and I waited a whole day to get my tune because of financial issues. So we got that squared away. Finally got the tune. I called them. Well, I didn't call them. I emailed them yesterday telling them the tune. And you know, with knowing you can email tunes, it takes about 2 business days. They already sent it. So with that being said, my homeboy who is doing my headers and whatnot, he says he only got to, you know, just, I think he said tighten up a couple of bolts here and there and whatnot, and then the car will be good. Just let him know when I'm ready. So we probably might go get this thing tonight. If not tonight, then tomorrow. But I'm gonna try to push for tonight because I'm missing my car. You too. Shit, but it's hot as fuck out there, boy. I see that sun straight beaming, boy. God damn, straight beaming, but it is what it is. What's going on YouTube, man? Y'all know what it is, y'all know who it is. It's your boy T-double-M, that man Michi, coming back with y'all with the same video, just in a different day, you feel me? As y'all can see, we got the car back, you know what I'm saying? Looking good, whatnot. We are now fully bolted on. We got the headers installed. Y'all already know about the Boss 302 intake manifold. Y'all already know about the cold air intake. We also got the injectors installed. So you know, we full bolt-ons, you feel me? Oh, what else I did? I didn't vlog it, but I did put in some bigger tires on the back. They're not really real big, but you know, little 295, 35, 20 things, you know what I'm saying? Other than that, I wanted to show y'all. Let me show y'all the engine bay. Like, my boy Sean really hooked me up. Now I ain't gonna hold it. Like, the engine bay look like it's brand fucking new. Like, get hot though. Yeah. But there she go. The sun went away, but the joint looking brand new, man. Look at the detail of this joint, guys. Like, clean. Y'all can see the headers right there. Y'all know what I'm saying? Y'all see it. Got the passenger side. Got driver side. Yup. And the engine bay just looking real clean, dog. Like my boy Sean. Shout out to my boy Sean, man. He really looked out for real. But now what I'm gonna do is we're gonna start her up. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna start her up. I drove her like a couple miles, so y'all not gonna get a cold start. So like we're gonna get us a little warm start. You feel me? And I'm gonna let y'all hear the exhaust. Even though it was just a little warm startup, but you know, it's all decent. It's all pretty good. But the headers on. You know, we got the headers, edge pipe. Still got the start resonators on. I'm not gonna be too loud, so I'm gonna be riding with the windows down because my AC has to be recharged, unfortunately. So before we drive, put on the seat belt. Seat belt. Let's slide. So this bitch really rolling, and this nigga just. If I had a camera in front of the windshield, this nigga just ran the whole red. I'm sorry, but this shit sounds good. I'm fucking with these shits. Damn, that sounded good. I ain't gonna hold it. That sounded hella good. I still debate if I want to take the resonators off. I don't know. But why the fuck I got the windows off? Put them down because now I'm about to sweat. It's hot as shit. These bitches sound bad, boy. Oh my god. though, like,
alert.
even with the resonators on, it sounds good. You know what I'm saying? It sounds good to me. As I sit here waiting on this red light, this big ass semi truck decides to do a U-turn, and he's successful in doing so. Impressive. But anyways, I just wanted to say, y'all make sure y'all y'all like the video, y'all comment and subscribe. Oh damn, trapper boy, oh my god. I'm coming in front of you, boy. I'm coming in front of you, sorry. Another mustang over there. Jeez. Seatbelt, come over to the house. I fucking love doing that shit. Yeah, one more downshift. Ooh, my lord. But listen, boy, y'all cannot tell me from a NA setup from Ford, a Coyote Gen 1, full bolts on Coyote Gen 1 don't sound just as good as any other car out there. I don't care what nobody says. Alright, y'all, well, I ain't gonna be done for the day. Later on, when it cool down a little bit, I'll do some nasty ass exhaust clips for y'all. But as of right now, it's just way too hot and too many people out, and I don't want nobody snitch on me talking about I'm making all these down noise. I don't want no down noise complaints and shit like that. So come back with y'all later.